Risotto-ed cauliflower. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. In a shallow saucepan or a deep skillet, heat just enough olive oil to coat, and then saute a thinly sliced shallot or a bit of red onion until tender. Add 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic and continue cooking while stirring for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, add the riced cauliflower. You can use fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, be sure to defrost it first. Season generously with salt and pepper, and then saute the cauliflower until it is tender and any excess moisture has evaporated. Should take about 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes if you have a lot of moisture. Next, in a spouted measuring cup, combine the broth, white wine, and a bit of cornstarch, whisking well so that the cornstarch dissolves in the broth and wine. Add the cornstarch broth wine mixture to your cauliflower and cook, stirring frequently until the mixture has thickened. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes more. The cornstarch will stand in for the starches released by rice when you're making traditional risotto. Once your cauliflower has taken on the appearance of risotto, it is time for the finishing touches. Remove the cauliflower from the heat. Add a pat of butter, some finely chopped fresh herbs. I like a combination of parsley and basil, and a shower of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Stir to combine and then serve immediately with additional herbs and Parmesan if desired. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.